How to change who can see your reels on Facebook. So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you today on how you can change who can see your reels on Facebook. It's a pretty easy option to click and enable and disable. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done. Now go ahead and click the menu option at the bottom right hand corner and scroll your way down to settings and privacy and then click settings. Now on here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you come across Reels right here on audience and visibility. All you got to go ahead and do is just click that option, and it says right here, who can see your Reels. Now you have the option to actually put this to friends, or you could hide from certain friends or just keep it public. So it's totally up to you. It's your preference on who you want to see your Reels on Facebook. But basically, that's how you find the setting. That's how you toggle it off and on. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all for the next one.